What's up guys, Joey here with YugaTech, and Xiaomi is already pretty much a household name when it comes to bang for your buck devices. And their flagships aren't an exception to this either, like their latest one, the Mi 9. We got to check it out earlier, so here is our hands-on and first impressions. So it sports a 6.39-inch display with a dewdrop notch, which is covered by Corning Gorilla Glass 6. The bezels are pretty slim all around, and while the phone does have a chin, it's way smaller than the bottom bezel on last year's Mi 8. At the back, we have three cameras: a 48-megapixel primary shooter, 12-megapixel telephoto shooter, and a 16-megapixel ultra-wide shooter. We don't get a fingerprint scanner here at the back because the Mi 9 uses an in-display fingerprint scanner. Housed in the water drop notch, we have a 20-megapixel selfie camera. On the right, we have the power and volume buttons, and on the left, we have a SIM tray for 2 nano SIM cards. Like the Mi 8, we don't get expandable storage, so sorry, no microSD card slot here. At the bottom, we have the audio grills and a USB Type-C port, no headphone jack to be found here. In the hands, it feels very premium and high-end with its curved glass back. A couple of downsides though, it feels very slippery and it's also a fingerprint and smudge magnet. Powering the Mi 8 is a Snapdragon 855, Adreno 640 GPU, 6GB of RAM, and either 64 or 128GB of internal storage. For battery, we have a capacity of 3,300 mAh with support for 20 watts wireless charging. The Mi 9 is priced at 22,990 pesos for the 64GB version and 24,990 pesos for the 128GB version. Now for Snapdragon 855 powered smartphones in 2019, these are honestly amazing prices that basically crush the rest of the competition. So if you're eyeing a 2019 flagship to buy, then be sure to keep the Mi 9 on your radar. It's simple, it's affordable, but it's powerful. So it's available in Mi authorized stores in the Philippines already and will be available over at Lazada soon. So that's about it for this video guys. What do you think about the Xiaomi Mi 9? Are you gonna get one? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey, this has been the Xiaomi Mi 9, and I'll see you in the next one.